Today I'm going to be doing a review of this, and this is the WoodPad Palette 7 drawing pad, and it's a graphics tablet similar to this, which is the Wacom Intuos tablet, which is the tablet that I purchased myself, which is interesting that I say that because I didn't purchase this tablet. This tablet was sent to me by the people over at ViewSonic, and I want to thank them. Thank you so much. That was really nice. And it didn't come with the stickers. I added those. Anyway, so I'm just going to do an unboxing of that and talk about this tablet, and I'm also going to be drawing this drawing here so you can see how it works and stuff. One thing that I forgot to mention, but that's really important, is the fact that all the opinions that I have are my own, and ViewSonic didn't tell me to tell you anything. They just asked me to review the tablet. So yeah, and this is me just taking it out of the box. I think the packaging is really, really nice. I really like it. I think it's kind of weird that I geeked out over the packaging. I don't know. And this is just the stuff it says on the back. It comes with the pad itself, a pen, and a USB cable, which you will see in a moment. There it is, and also comes with some spare nibs and a nib remover, which is important when you want to remove, that's not a word, remove your little nibs. And this pen is wireless and battery free, which I think is really cool, which is similar to the Wacom Intuos pen. That's really cool. And this is a wired tablet, so you will need the USB cable thing that comes with it. It's not wireless. And here are like the specs that were on the back of that little pamphlet thing there. Yeah, I don't know if you know what that means. Anyway, so this is some real-time drawing action, so you can see that you're drawing directly on the pad, which is made out of wood, which I think is really cool, and I like that a lot. And as I showed you in the beginning, I put some stickers on it, and they're like some little succulent stickers, and it really matches with the wood theme. I think that's really cool. Anyway, so the first thing you're gonna want to do whenever you get a new tablet is uninstall any drivers that you already have, if you have any tablet drivers, I mean. So I uninstalled my Wacom Intuos tablet drivers, and I installed the WoodPad drivers, even though the WoodPad is a plug-in and play tablet. I just read that directly off of the quick start guide. So you can plug it up and start using it, but if you want to use like the pressure, sensitivity, and it says more features or something, let me read it. I'm looking at it now. I should have prepared better. Yeah, obtain more functions and use pressure sensitivity. You're going to want to install the drivers, and you're just going to go to the website and download the drivers, and after you download and install it, then restart your computer. That way everything works properly and you don't have any issues, which I did not have any issues because I took the necessary steps beforehand, which was really nice because stress is not fun. And yeah, now we're going to talk about drawing with it itself. I think it's really, really nice, and comparing it to my first tablet, which was a Huion H420, I think, it's like a really small tablet, smaller than the WoodPad, and it was wired, and it had a battery pen, so the pen needed a battery. And that was my first tablet, and it was good for starting off. I don't remember it like lasting too long. It had some problems. One of my main concerns with this particular tablet being wired was the cord, because that was the problem I had with my first tablet. The cord was kind of funny acting, but this cord is really thick and sturdy, and it looks like it's gonna last a while, so that's really good. So I don't have any concerns about the wired portion of the tablet, and it actually does not get in the way of anything, and I don't really mind wired tablets, but yes. Anyway, the pressure is nice. The Wacom Intuos has over 4,000 levels of pressure, and this has over 2,000 levels of pressure. So it's like half as much, but it is fine. The only thing I notice is like when you're using a brush that requires a more sensitive touch, if that makes any sense, like the water brush. But I mean, it's no big deal, especially when I'm doing the line art. I actually liked it, getting the thicker lines, because with more pressure sensitivity, sometimes I find my lines are a little too skinny for my liking, and I didn't have that issue with this. So that was nice. And also, just drawing on the pad itself is slightly textured because it's wood. But it's not like super textured to the point where it's like, oh my gosh, it's like I'm drawing on concrete. It's not like that at all. It's like smooth, but just a tad bit of texture, but you don't even notice it while you're drawing on the tablet, okay? And it works nicely. Overall, this tablet, it just works nicely, and I like it. And like I said, one of my only concerns was with the cable. Oh, and also, while I was drawing, one of the many drawings that I drew to test out this tablet, it did this weird jittery thing in the corner, like the right-hand corner. I don't know what was up with that, but I unplugged it and plugged it back up, and it was fine, so I don't know what that was about. But other than that, it runs smoothly, works nice, and I really like it. And I think design-wise, it's really cute. It's just really cute, and it's got like this engraved logo at the top, and I like it, and it works really nicely, and it looks really good with nature stickers. And if you're looking for a tablet, this is actually nice. I should have pulled up the price for this. Last I checked, it was like $60 for the WoodPad 7, which is what this is, and there's also a WoodPad 10, which has more levels of pressure if that's what you're into, and I think it's also bigger. So that's everything that I can think of to say about this tablet. Overall, I really like it, and yeah, I'm probably going to keep using it for a while. Yeah, I don't see myself uninstalling the drivers anytime soon, so that's nice. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got something out of it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to ViewSonic for sending me this product to review.